Hello, this is Andrew with FatOx here at the All-Assist Hail and Wind Claim. I'm on the back slope where we've approved these turtle vents, decking, and a few shingles around the vents. Purpose of being here today is to film a video showing what happens when we replace one of these shingles. The insured is claiming that they're too brittle to be repaired. We've got some background music, mariachi music, so that'll be exciting. Which one are we gonna take? I'm gonna take this shingle right here. Make sure you can see that in the camera. Hang on. Yep, okay, perfect. This one, yep. So go ahead and break our bonding strip. Pretty well sealed here. All right. Okay. One thing I want to take note of. Let's see if we can see that on the camera. This shingle's fastener right here has already protruded through. Okay. Indicator that this shingle's pretty darn old if the fasteners are already breaking through the shingle. Taking this one right here. All right, good. Where are these fasteners at? Another one. All right. Difficult to locate the fasteners because, yet again, right here, that fastener has broken through the shingle. There it is right there. Let's see these ones. Through the shingle right here. Through the shingle yet again. So again, shingle's so frail and brittle, none of these fasteners are even connected. All right, it's just poked right through. Let's take a look at the second layer. Broken through. Wait, this is the one we're taking, hang on. Here we go. Broken through right here. That's not secured. This one is just about broken through. I need to lift that. That one is just about broken through as well. Gonna be a doozy trying to get these guys out. Let's see what we can do. Well, it's through anyway. Take it out from underneath. Really, none of these fasteners seem to be here. I'm surprised the shingle's even still connected. Poked right through. So one, two, that's not connected. Bottom is good. Let's check the top. Okay, we got one right here that's in good condition. Oh. Here you are. Underneath here. All right, so here's your shingle. You'll notice right here on the nail line, a lot of these fasteners had already poked through. Like the nail was actually underneath here. Okay, good indicator that this shingle's pretty darn old and brittle. See what happened here and here. an old shingle. Let's take a look at what these overlapping shingles look like. We got a fastener protruding through here. Here, these are not sealed. Here, all these fasteners are underneath. All right. A little bit of creasing right here. Just getting the fastener out. Let's go ahead and try to put one in. Good. All right, you're gonna have to cut this. Had to cut the shingle, which is not recommended by the manufacturer. I mean, maybe on the edges, but indicator that this is not a shingle that's still in production. Maybe we'll take that one and get an ITEL on it. I'm gonna have to cut the bottom. See how this shingle is not even going in all the way? That means we would have to either cut the top or cut the bottom of the shingle so that it fits flush. What happens when we cut the bottom, we cut the bonding strip. Okay, if we cut the top, we cut the bonding strip. That's a big no, no, no. Cannot do that. For the sake of this repair video, we'll go ahead and just leave it protruding out, but that's not like kind of quality. That's not what the policy covers. All right, so pretty certain we're dealing with a disco shingle. These are both Owings Corning shingles too. Let's see what happens when we put this new shingle in here. Just want to make sure I'm all the way up there. Oh, there we go. Probably getting blocked by one of those fasteners that was stuck to the decking. Roof stake for all the praise it gets. Not the greatest. focus in for me right here. A little bit of fraying right here as well. You'll notice too, the problem with the roof snake, you're trading one problem off for another problem. So the theory is you use a roof snake, you're not going to have to raise the shingle up so high to get a straight driven nail in, which again, shingle manufacturers, nail needs to be driven in straight. This nail is not straight right now. It's at a bit of a diagonal, but I need to lift the tool up so that I can get the nail in there, right? That's going in at a diagonal. That's not what manufacturers, again, need. They need a straight driven nail. So the angle will be looking like that. Instead, it's looking like this. Then the last problem is when you're finishing up that nail, you hit it right here. When I do that last little hit, you've got all this energy coming straight down into the tool. Let me make sure you can see. Yeah. You've got all this energy, because I'm hitting here, coming straight down here into the shingle. Nail's up here, but I'm hitting right here. I'm not hitting the nail, I'm hitting this tool, and it's impacting the shingle. You'll probably see it more on this one. All right, now we need to finish it. Put that on top of there. So that nail's in there. I caused a little hit here to get it down in there. All the energy from the hammer is being driven into this shingle. Terrible. Nice little hail hit there, right? I can grab a nail. Terrible. Took a nice hail hit there. Again. See this blemish right here? Focus. Right there. From that tool. Oh my goodness, this thing, not the greatest at all. Few shingles in. Take a look right here. Let's see where our fasteners are at. So that's right there. A little bit of a hit right here. We've also got the fraying of the shingle from breaking the bonding strip. Here. Okay. Good enough for a DIY project? Absolutely. Is it pre-loss condition? No, sir.